ELI Language Games. Play and learn. This is a series of video tutorials on ELI games. In this video, we're going to present a game focused on culture and klille. Each game is available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. The games have different characteristics and can be divided into 4 categories: Dominoes, Bingos, Card Games, Board Games. Bingo! The Animal Kingdom, A1 to A2 level. This is a klille game about animals and their environment. The language goals are learning and practice of vocabulary and language structures related to animals. The box contains 66 photo cards with images of animals and corresponding written words. 36 bingo grids with 6 pictures on the front side and lists of animals on the reverse side. Instruction booklet. Each player is given 1 or more bingo grids. The cards are shuffled. Let's see how the basic game works. The teacher or leader takes 1 card at a time and says the name of the animal. If the animal appears on the player's grid, the player covers the corresponding square. The winner is the first player to cover all the photos on his or her grid. Alternatively, you can play in the Animal Kingdom game mode. Deal the photo cards. Each player gets a bingo grid with the list of animals showing. The players have to collect as many animal cards corresponding to the animals appearing on their bingo grids as possible. So, the first player turns to the player on his or her right and asks, for instance, "Have you got a rabbit?" If the second player has it, he or she must reply, "Yes, I have got the rabbit," handing the card over to the first player, who must thank for that. After getting a card, the first player can go on, asking another player a different question. If a player does not have the requested card, on the other hand, the play turn will pass to him or her. Each animal card can be asked for more than once and can change hands several times during play. The winner is the first player to acquire all the animal cards on his or her list. The teacher's booklet provides the list of all animals presented in the game and extra game ideas with a klille perspective, such as what do animals eat? Where do animals live? Very easy instructions accompany the game and are also downloadable from our website. Are you ready to explore the Animal Kingdom? ELI Language Games. The more you play, the more you learn.